Hey car fam! Today we're going to talk about the 2026 Honda CR-V. Before we get into today's hot topic, I have a quick favor to ask. Don't just watch the video, show it some love by hitting that like button. I see the views climbing, but the likes, not so much. Let's turn that around. Now get into topic. Honda had a massive 2024 with sales climbing 11% thanks to an incredible 16% surge in their truck and SUV lineup. Leading the charge? The CR-V, of course. This compact SUV crushed it with 402,791 sales, an 11% jump over the previous year. Now, Honda plans to keep that momentum rolling, announcing a refreshed CR-V coming soon. And here's the kicker. It'll include an off-road ready TrailSport trim for the first time ever. The current 6th Gen CR-V has been a hit since debuting as a 2023 model, but this refresh is aimed at keeping things fresh for the 2026 model year. While Honda hasn't spilled all the details yet, we're expecting tweaks to the front and rear styling, some cabin updates, and likely the same powertrains. The 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder and the 204 horsepower CR-V hybrid. Now let's talk about the TrailSport. Honda promises it'll bring a rugged appearance. But what does that actually mean? If the Honda Passport TrailSport, which launches in February, is anything to go by, we're talking serious upgrades like a custom suspension setup, general grabber all-terrain tires, and steel skid plates. Could the CR-V TrailSport follow suit? Fingers crossed. But wait, there's more. Honda isn't stopping with the CR-V. The smaller HR-V is also getting a facelift in 2025 for the 2026 model year. Honda says it'll come with styling and technology enhancements, so we're excited to see what's in store. And here's the cherry on top. The Prelude is making a comeback. That's right, Honda's legendary Coupe is returning as a hybrid before the end of 2025. This could be a game changer for Honda fans. Honda's staying tight-lipped about exact debut dates for these updated models, but we should have more details on the refreshed CR-V and HR-V in the next few months. What do you think about these updates?
What do you think?
Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. I'll catch you in the next one.